Welcome. If you're looking to keep your X experience more peaceful by turning off likes notifications on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to disable those pesky alerts. Let's get started. First, open your X account. This is the home base for all your settings. Once you're signed in, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options. Click on More to expand your choices. Next, in the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find various options to customize your user experience. Now, navigate to the Notifications section. Under Notifications, you'll find a tab called Preferences. Click on it, and then select Push Notifications. This will bring you to the settings specifically related to notification types. Scrolling down, you'll see a category for likes. Here, you'll want to find the box that says Off. Make sure to check that option to stop receiving likes notifications. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to ensure your new settings are applied. And just like that, you've successfully disabled likes notifications on your X account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating X. See you next time.